How to turn on never autoplay videos on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use never autoplay videos on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook, and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on media. Now you have autoplay. You have on only mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you have only Wi-Fi, or you have never autoplay videos, which is the third option. You can click on it and turn on this option instead of on Wi-Fi only or the other option. Now when your battery is low, videos stop playing automatically. And this is it guys, this is how you stop autoplay videos. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.